Divisibility rules. What is divisibility rule? Divisibility rule is a shorthand way of determining whether a given integer is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the division itself. It is usually done by just examining its digits. Rules of divisibility. Divisibility rule of 1. It says that any integer, not a fraction, is divisible by 1. Divisibility rule of 2. It says that the last digit must be even, such as 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. For example, 2,342. The last digit is 2, which is even, therefore, it is divisible by 2. Divisibility rule of 3. The sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. For example, 636. 6 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 15, and 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 4. The last two digits must be divisible by 4. For example, 40,832. The last two digits are 3 and 2, and 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. Therefore, it is divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 5. The last digit must be 0 or 5. For example, 145. The last digit is 5. Therefore, it is divisible by 5. Divisibility rule of 6. It should satisfy the divisibility rule of both 2 and 3. For example, 114. The last digit is 4, which is even, and 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 6. And 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Divisibility rule of 7. Double the last digit and subtract it from a number made by the other digits. The result must be divisible by 7. For example, 105. The last digit is 5, and when you double 5, it is 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0, and 0 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 105 is divisible by 7. Divisibility rule of 8. The last three digits are divisible by 8. For example, 109,816. The last three digits are 816. 816 divided by 8 is equal to 102. Thus, it is divisible by 8. Divisibility rule of 9. The sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. For example, 1,629. 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 18. And 18 divides 9 is equal to 2. Therefore, it is divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10. The number ends in 0. For example, 110. The number ends in 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. Divisibility rule of 11. Add and subtract digits in an alternating pattern. Then check if that answer is divisible by 11. For example, 913 plus 9 minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 11, and 11 is divisible by 11. Therefore, 913 is divisible by 11. Divisibility rule of 12. It should satisfy the divisibility rules of both 3 and 4. For example, 648. So let's try it first by the divisibility rule of 3. 6 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 18, and 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So therefore, it is divisible by 3. And next, let's try it by divisibility rule of 4. 48 divided by 4 is equal to 12. Therefore, it is divisible by 4. And it satisfies both the divisibility rules of 3 and 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 12. That's all, and I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching!